Hey, I'm Andy Lores, and this is my project. It's called Recreate the Number. My project consists of an LCD screen right here that's going to display the number that you want to recreate and your high score, a switch over here that turns on and off your game, an LED over here that displays whether or not you had the correct answer, a 7-segment display here that will be displaying the number that you're trying to recreate, a keypad here that you will use to turn on and off the different segments of the LCD display, or of the 7-segment display. To start the game, you have to turn on the game using the switch, and then here on the LCD screen you have to generate something. You have to generate the number by pressing the button that's next to it. So right now I'm going to press it, and the number that's being generated here is a 5. As you can see here too, it says high score 9.8 seconds. So the general idea of the game is to recreate this number on the 7-segment display using the keypad here. The idea is that these numbers around the 5 act as an arrow keys, so I can move around, and then I can turn it on or off with the 5 button. So then, to just get along with the idea, as I move down, turn this one on, turn that on, turn that on, turn that on, so I create a 5. Now that I'm ready to accept it, I press pound to accept my number, and it will flash this LED showing that it was the correct number. Now if I come back here, I can regenerate a new number, and the high score is obviously still 9.8 seconds because I didn't do it faster than 9.8 seconds on the last one. So here I'm going to try and beat this high score. Let's see. So high score wasn't fast enough yet, so let me just get a new number with a new time. So now it's number 1, and now the high score should have been faster than 9.8 seconds, and it gets a high score of 5.5 seconds. So the general idea of the game is just to keep on doing this with all the numbers and see how fast of a high score you can get. Let's see that. It was still not fast enough, but yeah, that's the general idea of the game. And then once you're done and you feel like your high score was high enough, you can just turn off the game by turning off the LED, or turning off the switch. And yeah, that's pretty much it.